Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Today, we're going to take a look at three words that are often confused with each other. There, and there. These words can be difficult to use because they sound the same. Let's take a look at the meaning of each word and some examples. There means in that place. I went there yesterday. I had dinner there with Mike. There is a possessive form of they. They gave their coats to Susan. These are our drinks. Their drinks are on the table. There is a contraction of they and are. It is the same as they are. This is John and Mike. They're from America. Next, let's take a look at when to use these words. The word there usually means in or at a place. It can be an adverb, as in stand over there. It can be a noun, as in you can see it from there. Sometimes it has some more difficult meanings. For example, you can use it as a pronoun that introduces a clause or a phrase. For example, there comes a time when we have to let our children be more independent. Sometimes there can be used as an adjective. Usually it means someone or something can be relied on. For example, whatever happens, I'll be there for you. The word there shows ownership. It is the possessive form of they. For example, the possessive form of I is my. This is my book. The possessive form of they is their. Amy and John were walking to school. Their bags were so heavy that they had to take a break. Here, the word there shows that Amy and John own the bags. The word there is simply a contraction. They and are there. Contraction is simply two words put together to make a shorter word. For example, do not becomes don't, and I am becomes I'm. Be careful. Many people see the apostrophe here and think that it is a possessive form. For example, this is Randy's book. Here, the apostrophe shows ownership. But in the word there, it doesn't show ownership. It is simply a shortened version of they are. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. John and Maggie went to school. They took the bus there in the morning. Don't worry about washing that. Just put it over there. There should be a law against people riding a bike and using their cell phone at the same time. His father was always there for them when he needed help. When dogs are angry, they bark and show their teeth. My mom and dad left their drinks on the table. Jack and Jill are walking to school. They're probably going to be late. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.